Hey guys, I'm hoping that you can see. I had to do this upstairs because my husband is working. I'm still trying to perfect my lotion recipe. So the recipe that I'm really attached to is the one I'm going to work on. I've made some changes from the last time I made it. Ooh, making noise. You bring it upstairs. This lotion you do in 3 phases. Let me get this all off of here. Okay, so we have our water phase. So I use aloe vera juice, and there is honey in here as well. And then we have our oil phase, which is I use shea butter. I have my wax in here, sunflower oil, a teeny bit of vitamin E, and a teeny bit of bee pollen. And DL panthenol, which is vitamin B, great for your skin. Bee pollen is also great for your skin. It's got amino acids and lots of, vitamins and minerals and all that kind of stuff. So what we're going to do with this is, first of all, oh geez, I don't have my scale over here. Hold on, I got to bleach and wash my scale because this is a sterile environment project, so hold on. Okay, so this is 753 grams because we are going to lose water to evaporation. Both of these I am putting in this pan right here, and yes, there is a washcloth in there. There's a washcloth in there so I don't damage my glass containers. Can you guys see? Okay, yeah, you can. And I'm going to put it on my stove and get this up to about 185 degrees. I'm going to heat it and hold it there for about 20 minutes. So when this is all heated and whatnot, I have some extra aloe vera juice that I will heat and add to this when, to make sure it's the 752 grams that we need in order to make the lotion. Okay, so let's pray that this batch works out great. So I will be back when all of this is melted and it's been heated and held for 20 minutes. Sun came out, so I had to bleach and alcohol this other counter. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh this aloe vera. Remember, it was 752 grams. So it's at 748. So we just need to add a little bit of this heated aloe vera juice. 752. Okay. Let me get my scale out here. And I need my alcohol. Okay. So what we're going to do now is, this is Bernadette. I don't use the same stick blender for my lotions and creams and stuff like that I do for my soap, because I don't want to have any residual lye. So what we're going to do is we're going to pulse it, and I'll put the volume down for you once we get this aloe in here. Okay, so as you can see, it's nice creamy white. I hope this lighting, I'm right in front of my kitchen window, so I apologize. So I'm going to give this a nice good blend for about 2 minutes. And like I said, I'll put some music on for you. Okay, so we have emulsification here. Now, this is what we call the cool down phase. Let me spray my hands again, just because. The cool down phase, obviously, let me get, oh, jeez. Don't have my thermometer over here either. Let me respray it just to be safe. I'd rather be safe. Okay, so this is, oh, it's only 140, it's 149 degrees. So, the cool down phase consists of adding your preservative to your lotion and letting it, get to room temperature, thicken up, that kind of thing. So every 10 minutes or so, I'll come and I'll check on it, I'll stick blend it, and once it gets down to about, you know me, 100 degrees, I like to wait till stuff cools down quite a bit to add my preservative. So I have that all set off to the side and everything. So we'll come back in about 10 minutes. So I hope this works. The new e-wax I used is the soft and silky type from Crafter's Choice. I was using just regular, the emulsifying wax NF. So we'll see if it works. Okay, spray my hands again. It's been about 10 minutes. You can see there's a little bit of a skin on there. So I'm going to stick blend it again. I just got that all over my hand. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's clean up our mess and respray our hands. Okay. I think I need to get like deeper containers. Okay. All right. Let me get this off the sides here, and we will wait another 10 minutes. Let me check the temperature. Oh, look at that. It's starting to thicken up already. We must be cooled down. We must be about 120 degrees, because that's when it really starts to, this recipe anyway, starts to thicken up. Oh, we're at 111. All right. We'll be able to add our preservative when we come back. So I'll be right back. Come back and say really quick that honey, I really want to use honey as my humectant. But if the lotion still feels a little sticky when it's all set up, I think I'm going to switch from honey to vegetable glycerin. So that's one of the other things that I'm trying to tweak. Or maybe I need to use 1 gram of honey rather than 2 grams of honey. Or, this has been going on for 3 years, you guys. I mean, I gave up at one point, and I just picked it back up about 18 months or so ago, and it's been very frustrating. I talked about it when I did the whole emulsified sugar scrub video, that sometimes it just feels like a waste of raw materials. So hopefully we can, that this e-wax makes a huge difference. And like I said, I'll, figure out what else is wrong. I just really want a shea butter and sunflower based lotion. That's like my goal. So, all right, we're going to be stirring it up here pretty soon. I'll be right back. Okay, let's check it again. The temperature first. Oh, look at that. It's starting to thicken up. It should be good. 97 degrees. Okay, I'm going to put my preservative in here. Isn't this the cutest little cup you ever did see? My hands are all wet from the alcohol. Okay. There's my preservative. And again, you know, when I do preservatives, I always add an extra, well, that was an extra like 0.3 grams. Okay, here we go. I'm going to scrape off this, I'm going to scrape off and make sure that all of this that's on my blender gets mixed in there. Let's go, Bernadette, little Bernie. I'm going to stick blend it one more time, and then I'm going to leave it alone and let it finish cooling off. So, boy, I'm making a mess. I probably should have done this downstairs where I had more room, but I was just so excited today to try this again. We may be doing this a lot this year, guys. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna, whoop, I moved you guys, sorry. Like I said, I just don't have enough room to work up here. I'm on the coffee bar side of my counter because the sun was like right on the other counter I usually work on when I'm up here. So now we are going to just let it sit and cool off. I have some tests I need to go have done today, so we may be waiting until after I get back from those to check on it. So I'll just scrape all this down. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my spatula out of it. Okay guys, I will see you in a little bit. Okay, I know we have some serious shadow over here, but this is, you know, the sun is coming through that window like crazy. So here we go. Now this is supposed to be a thicker, a heavier lotion. So we have a heavier lotion. Whoop, there we go. And I have these little teeny jars. They're an ounce. And I am going to fill these up. And what I do is I give quite a few of these to my daughter. And she takes them to work with her. All the girls at her work get to try out all of our new lotion products and everything. So, and I have a bottle over here for myself. So yeah, I'm gonna have to see how it feels after I'm done filling all of these up. So I will come back when I am done filling these up. It's gonna be weird because I can't turn the camera off because I just can't. Oops, making a mess, making a mess. Okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, I'm trying to get rid of some of the shadow. Ugh, this is terrible filming. I have not cheated. My hands are really, really dry. I have been alcoholing them all day, wearing gloves, so let's see how this feels. Oh, look at that. Oh, that goes right into my skin. It's better than the last time. I definitely can tell the difference in the emulsifier, but it's still a little sticky to me. So I don't know. I'm going to see how it feels in a few minutes, but if it continues to feel a little sticky like this, I'm going to take the honey out of it. And next time we will try vegetable glycerin. So I'm really sorry about the lighting, you guys. I just needed to get a jump start on making the lotion and, you know, whatnot. So next time we make it, we'll be doing it downstairs where I have a little bit better control over the light. So, you know, they always say natural light is the best. Well, no, it's not. Not that I'm a professional and my lighting setup is great downstairs either, but yeah, I still find it sticky. But all of those other bottles that we did, the girls at Lauren's work are going to get. I'm going to pass them out to, you know, other people. I have other people that test stuff too, so that will give me their honest to God opinion. So, because that's what I need, you know, in order to perfect it, is for somebody, you know, well, for several people to go, oh my gosh, this is so great. So, okay, guys, until next lotion time, I will see ya. Bye-bye.